Different one today. We went on a bike ride. Got 38 miles penciled in, so quite a big one, and got the pack as well. Planning some bigger cycle trips in the summer, so yeah, I get used to carrying the weight. But we're in Plym Valley now, so I was at River Plym last week, up to the head. This is the Plym Valley still, but way down towards Plymouth. It's a cycle route, it's about 5 miles. Used to be an old railway line. They used to go up onto the moors and then split off at Yelverton for Oakhampton and Tavy. We're going to go up towards Princetown, and we're going to come back down part of the old railway for the quarries as well. So railway themed cycle ride today. So lunchtime, it's 20 to 12 or 11:40 in proper clock. We've done probably about 17 miles to this point, so just over 20 to go, but this is the furthest north we're going today. This is Princetown, all but centre of Dartmoor. We're heading back south, a little bit of a wiggly way around about the old railway track and stuff, so that's why it's a bit longer on the way back than out here. But yeah, just stopped, unfortunately, the pub and not doing food at the moment, which I was looking forward to some cheesy chips. So we got jelly babies and a pint of Coke. Beggars can't be choosers, eh? Drone would have been amazing. Mist it's not much more than 50-foot visibility, so unfortunately I don't think the drone's going to be happening apart from what you've seen already at Plym Bridge, but I will try. Don't write it off yet. You never know, the mist may miraculously clear and we may get some drone footage. I will try my best. Right, I'm going to have my gourmet lunch and then we get cracking again. So back on the bike, down the bumpy track and along the dismantled railway towards Burrator Reservoir. And luckily enough, I have some footage from a couple of years ago of Burrator Reservoir and the dam. So thank God for old footage for this video. And I'll leave you with that footage. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and all of that, and I will see you next time.